So now that layer is ready. See how fast Aparna it got ready? Can you just be careful? And you have to be very careful with yourself, not to be very careless because you are using fire. Now see, I'm just putting a little ghee. And then the same measure what I used for the white, that same measure I'm putting for this, okay? And lift it up a little, see that it is even everywhere, okay? Just like this. And you place your fire once again on it. Okay? Okay? Already shown you the bibinka and we have already put 3 layers. In just about 10 minutes we have already done 3 layers. Okay? Now we will make the third item and I will show you how to make perag. Now, when you make, you know what is perag? No, perag is made out of guavas. Pera ame muntate.
Guava cheese.
Guava cheese. It is also called as guava cheese in English, but in Portuguese it is called as perada. Okay? So, peras are guavas which are ripe. You can't take green guavas. Guavas which are nicely seasoned and which are yellowish in color. Don't take the green ones. If you take the green ones and if you cook them, the cheese color changes. It becomes blackish.
Okay.
So if you use the nice ripe guavas, I used just about 1.5 kg of guavas and I got about 600 grams of pulp. Okay, more than half a kg. Yeah, I've boiled the guava. First, you just remove the blemishes. Bring the guavas, wash them nicely. Remove the blemishes, all the black किते काळे बा किते डार्क बा किते असतात ते काढपाचे सुरेन आणि मागीर त्याची दोन्ही वद्दां करपाची. Cut the guavas into 2 halves only, not to make pieces of the guava. Half a glass of water. You mustn't add too much of water. Okay. Guavas udok astar, water retention, and the udok tejas magi sutta. Now, if you look at the portion, this is what I got of the seeds. Now, I told you not to throw the seeds out. This is the most tastiest part of the guava. Now, this is 600 grams of guava pulp. Can you see this pulp?
Yeah.
Both from the seeds and from the halves. Okay. So this is 600 grams. And equal quantity of pulp, equal quantity of sugar. So I've used equal quantity of sugar also. Now, this is lime juice. You can use citric acid if you don't have lime juice, or you can use lime juice. So I had fresh lime juice. I extracted the juice, okay? And I'm just putting about a tablespoon. What happens otherwise it becomes too sweet. So you get a nice tangy taste, you know, sweet, sour, it gives you that lovely this. So this is a secret, just a little we can put to that, okay? Then you add the sugar to it, okay? You add the sugar to it and with that wooden ladle, we will start cooking it on the fire. So you have to grease this a little, we will grease this and keep ready, okay? By the time this is getting ready. A little salt for taste, even though it is this, just a little salt for taste. And guavas also, when we eat guavas, usually we always eat with salt. Okay, so this is a mixture of the pulp, okay, and the guavas. And you have to stir, go on stirring continuously. You can even use kail patan, ek bari oldi dos tatti kail patan tanto patan koriyata. Okay, so this is the. Now when it starts leaving the side of the pan, your perad is ready. See here, see. It should form like, you know, it should not stick to the handi. It should leave the sides. That means this is ready, okay? Now you can see our perad is ready. It was leaving the sides of the pan when I showed you on the fire. Okay, it's ready. And you have to pour it. Masso time, te dod pachir. And te dod pak mashe at duktat. आता कितें गारान कितें आता म्हाका आतांची संवय जाल्या पूण तुमच्या घरान तुमी टर्न घेवंक जाय तुमी खातेले न्हू बेश्टे आयते मेळना इल्लें कामय करूंक जाय न्हू आनी मज्जा येता वय मागीर आई तुका 2 आनी फोड दितली सुबेज पेरूची फोड लागली गोड नो यू से लायक दॅट इट इज ओके सो यू जस्ट रिमूव इट एंड देन यू spread it evenly, okay? See, have you seen how it is forming into a ball? That means it is ready. Okay? Yeah, that means it is ready. Now you spread it out nicely in this tray, what we have already greased. Okay? And this is a delicacy of Goa which will never, even if it can remain for months together. But it is so tempting that it gets over very fast. It doesn't remain for months at all. Yeah. Slowly. See? Can you see this? Okay. So if you just spread it out slowly. Even it should be everywhere. I hope you all like it, Avinash, Aparna, and all my viewers.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
आम्ही क्रिसमसचे बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स पळयतात वेगवेगळे डिफरंट असे बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स आम्ही दाखयले आसतले सगळ्यांक आयज खंयचो बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स आसा तो पळोवया आमच्या बरोबर आसा शेफ सुशील जोशी वेलकम
Thank you very
once
much.
again.
Thank you.
आज कोण
Chef, this time I have a demand. This
What?
time I want to learn how to prepare cookies at home. Because this Christmas I don't want to go to the market and purchase few.
Okay, then definitely I'll come to your place to have a cookies then.
Definitely. But first you have to teach me how to prepare it.
Yes, I'll teach you how to make a cookies in a home.
Good.
Very simple way.
Yeah, simple
Not a
one.
lot of ingredients. We don't require any lot of ingredients in it. Okay. The simple thing is what is cooking butter, sugar. That is I have taken the powder sugar in it.
Okay.
Okay. Refined flour and the milk. The milk is optional. If we require it, we'll use it. Otherwise, not required. Don't
Okay,
use it.
optional.
And that is also optional.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Very
Few
easy
ingredients.
and very few. With me, you all also learn how to prepare this cookie.
I'll tell you the measurement of this thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
The butter is 100 gram, 50 gram is the sugar, and the 150 gram of the refined flour.
Okay.
Okay.
So 150, 150, very
Yeah.
easy to remember.
Well, then we'll cream the butter with the sugar.
Okay.
Okay. Sugar has to melt it in the butter.
Okay. This is icing sugar.
No, powder sugar. Icing sugar is little bit finer than the
Okay.
regular powder sugar.
So घरात तुमच्या साखर असतातच म्हणजे मिक्सरला वाटून powder.
तुमचेच काम इझी जातले
Yeah.
It's easy to make it, very less ingredient which is available in the house, and then you make it.
Yeah.
It's very easy, and then your child is also happy. Now we'll add the flour in it.
Okay, now this is 155.
Yes. Okay. Now the dough is ready. Okay. We'll do the rolling of this dough and give the different shapes.
What cookies these are called? Just plain
Sugar cookies.
Sugar cookies.
Yes. We'll give the different shape now. Before that, we'll do the dusting of the flour on the baking tray, so the cookies will not get stuck.
Just एकदम quick cookies. And the dough is very whatever shapes are there.
Okay. Now I'll give one Christmas tree shape.
Chef is has given a nice shape of stars, and now I can see a Christmas tree also.
The Christmas tree is ready. Okay. Now we'll bake this for some time.
कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको?
15 minutes. 15 minutes is required, and we'll have it nicely with the presentation.
And what should be the degree of it?
It takes you take 145 to 150 degrees centigrade of it. Now the cookies are ready. I am taking out the cookies. The first we have done it. Okay. Okay. These are the cookies.
And you can see you can give different shapes to this and make more attractive. You can change the piping also.
The way you can want to give the shapes, that is the
Yeah.
better thing. It requires the cutters, and the cutters are very easily available in the market.
And I think these cookies will mostly attract children.
Yes.
This was a Christmassy special guest host Bite It.
तुमकां जी आमी स्वीट्स दाखयली ती कशी असली ताची चव कशी असली हे कळोवपाक मात्र आमकां विसरो नाकात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
आणि बायटेड प्रोग्राम पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
And yes, we wish all our viewers Merry Christmas. Keep watching
Prudent.